So I'll be showing you how to change the incoming call volume for your ringer or your ringtone on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use more or less the same instructions for other iPhone models. So I'll actually show you two methods. So the first method is going to settings. On the main settings page, go to sounds and haptics, tap on that, and then you should see ringtone and alert volume. Okay, so you can use this slider to adjust the volume of your incoming call alerts. Now you can also enable change with buttons. When you enable that, you don't have to come into the settings. So all you have to do is use the buttons on the side, these volume buttons, and you can press up to increase the volume, and you can see the ringer, and you can actually see the volume increase as you continue to press, and reduce as you continue to reduce or press the reduce button. Okay, but for this to work, you have to enable it in the settings like I've shown you. So make sure change with buttons is enabled. And that is basically how to change the incoming ringtone volume on your iPhone, or the incoming call volume for the ringtone on your iPhone. Now for this to work, of course, your phone needs to not be in silent mode, because if it's in silent mode, then no volume will work. So make sure it's not in silent mode so that your change of the incoming call volume is noticeable. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.